Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install VS Code in Windows 11 step by step. VS Code is a code editor which is used by millions of developers in the world. So open the browser. Any browser you can open. I will open the Edge browser. In the address bar, simply type installation of VS Code and enter. You will see the official website of VS Code. Click on it and this is the home page of VS Code official website. You will see a big icon to download VS Code for Windows. Click on it. The file is downloading. It will take some time to download the exe file for Windows. It helps us to set up of VS Code. Once the download complete, open the file explorer clicking on this folder icon. Double tap on the VS Code setup file. So this is the default drive where VS Code will install. You can change the drive. I will store in E drive. Okay, and next. If you will click on this create a desktop icon, VS Code will display on desktop. So I would recommend to click on it and choose this option, because when you will right click on the folder, you will see open with code option and you can directly open the VS Code from there. And next, click install and the VS Code setup file is installing. Alright guys, so setup files completed. Click on finish and our VS Code is installed in our system. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the video.